Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to jump on a quick video really this afternoon to talk about my Topstep 50K challenge, where I am, which day I am, and how this week is been so far. So first off, let's jump into today's trading. And really, I'm not sure why TradingView in the last couple of days is not showing anymore the trades that I have done, previous days. But yesterday, just so you know, and if you have seen in a post, I've been trying. I went short twice, um, and the first trade was just before the open, and that took me out. And then after the open, I was able to recover that loss, but really ending up the day at break even. Today, my bias, overall bias, was still on the short side, but I also knew that the overall movement so far was quite extended. So I tried essentially to go counter trend. The first trade the first long I have done was here just after the open, coming back into this order block, bouncing. And as we were weakening here, I thought we would gone for this ice, which essentially didn't happen there, and I was taken out over here. Then I took this inverse trade, inverse fair value gap. Over here I took first partial there, and with the looking to have the final take profit over here. But after I took the first partial, I just moved the stop loss at break even. And since I had recovered the previous loss, and essentially been at break even for the day, I decided that to stop trading for the day, even because today, of course, was FOMC meeting minute, and the market this morning really was slow to react. It wasn't the usual volume participation that was all the time. I came back into the afternoon after the FMC. What I was really looking at that point is that once we dropped with the news, we had the market structure shift here on the 1 minute, and then we came back into the order block here into the 1 minute time frame, and really bouncing at this point from this area, from this inverse fair value gap. Once we made clearly a new high here, I decided to take a long somewhere over here on the on this level. So I went along here. First target was essentially there, and I really wanted to see the price to go to retrace at the 50% of Fibonacci as my final target there. This, of course, this would have been a good trade, but I moved the stop loss. I didn't want I did want secure the profit that I had here. I moved the stop loss at break even, and then essentially I was taken out again at break even there before the move happened. In a sense, I am happy that I have done so, as the entry, although my entry was somewhere over here, and I was shooting for this 50% retrace. My stop loss was just below, at this point was just below the this order block. and if I would have not done so, I was going to be taken out on the last few contracts, on the last two contracts that I had there. So overall, I am at day 6 of this challenge. Keeping today with a small a small profit, really nothing in compare on what is my risk. Total trades here says 14. Well, not really true. I do usually today really I have done 3 trades, but I usually I am at 1 or 2 trades per day. So the maths doesn't really adds there. But for the purpose of today video, and honestly I don't recall now how many trades I have really done in these 6 days. 7 were winning trade, 5 were losing trades. Here are kind of my stats. So keeping the account in positive, the maximum I had reached with Topstep here was 50,500. I had two losing trade with which they put me back at 50,180 ish, and now I am kind of back to 50,274, 273 there. So I would say that this week so far it's not been easy, at least not for me. Definitely, I have been trying to take setups that I usually I would not have traded or have not taken. So something that I need to be really careful. So at this point, not sure what I'm really gonna do tomorrow. If I'm gonna take a day off or anything on those line. 15 minutes definitely shoot for the upside. But and I really need to see now at this point what my bias tomorrow will be for tomorrow. What I can see right now that I would like to look for at this point. I would like to look for a long tomorrow. That's this 15 minutes now looks really bullish. We are probably gonna take this ice. We do have a 4-hour order block here, which we could potentially stall in it. So it really depends tomorrow morning how we are going to open. Other than that, I appreciate you guys been watching, and I'm looking forward to talk with you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and see you soon.